Hello everyone, I will be showing you how to scrape any website and turn it into a ready-made LLM info. Let's begin. First, go to this GitHub, Crawl4AI. This is our script. Scroll down, you will see the Docker command. So take those Docker commands, build your VS Code, paste them in. You might encounter a slight issue if you put the version number like this. It gave it to me. So the fix is easy, just change it to latest. I already did that, so it shouldn't pull. See, it didn't pull because I already have it. And when you pull, you just have to run this command. Just put latest and run the Docker. It's already run. That's why you see these errors, and you will be directed here. So in this interface, you give it a URL. Let's use the repo. We take it, we give it here, and we run it. Process. And there we have it. It's scrape everything. And if you want to reuse it in a program or something, it gives us the code. Since it's on this interface, it gives us the code. We can use it in our own scripts. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.